Today we'll show you top 3 cinematic prompt in Gemini. Okay, you can use it in your face or something like that, or what you have a face. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, we have two picture here. Now this is a picture of our face, okay guys, and we have this is a prompt. This, okay guys, you can find it in description. Okay, now go here to here. Okay, now we will put create image banana. Okay, and click here and upload file and go below like this and click to your face, like your picture. Click, and now we will test the first prompt. Okay guys, this is a prompt. Okay, do like this and here like this guys, and go here and like this and paste and like this. Okay, 1 2 3, and wait it a few seconds, just only a few seconds guys. Okay, now we have this. Okay, this is a first prompt. This is like if you have a business or something like that, this is a very good prompt. Okay, now the second prompt. Okay, now to go like this, the first, like what I do, picture, and go the second prompt and like this and click here and click. Just wait a few seconds guys. Loading nano banana, and finally this is a picture. Wow, it's amazing. But it's difficult, but you can test it again and again and again to be correct. Okay guys, just you have just a small problem, just you can fix it with repeat this is command. Okay, now the next, the Gemini next, and click like this, picture and prompt like this guys, and this is the best, like this and here. Loading no banana, and finally this is a picture. Wow, this is like an iPhone, like Apple photos. Yeah, it's very good. You can change your t-shirt like for black, for Nike, for Adidas, for Puma. You can choose anything. Okay guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.